Hi, this is Dr. Ai, this is Mr. Ortiz, this is Mr. Wu, and today we're going to bring you guys chapter 6-7 the problems from the easy to hard, and we're going to teach you how to do it, make it really easy to you.
Alright, this is problem 46 from textbook page 405. And first off, line L and M are parallel lines, which means parallel means lines that never meet. Angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles, which makes angle 2 155 degrees. And since angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles, which means always congruent, you would take x squared plus 11 equals 155 degrees. You have minus 11 from each side, as you see, and will come out to equals 144, and you take the square root of 144, which equals 12. And the answer will be 12.
Alright, this is that Wu, and what I'm going to show you is how to do page 171, question 4, and you have to find whether this triangle is scaling, isosceles, or equilateral. First, you have to find the distance between x and y, y to z, and z to x. How to find the distance between x and y? You have to place out the formula, which is to find the distance. You have to put x2 minus x1 over the power of 2 plus y2 minus y1 to the power of 2. From there, you form out your problem to find x and y, which would be 4 minus 0 to the power of negative to 2 plus negative 2 minus 3 to the power of 2. And that would come out of 41, the square root of 41. From there, you have to go down to y to z, and that is, the equation would be negative 4 minus 4 to the power of 2 plus negative 2 minus 2 to the power of 2, and you would get 80. And then working z to x would be negative 4 minus 0 to the power of 2 plus negative 2 plus 3 to the power of 2, and you would get 41. And now if you look at all these questions, you could see that the first two do not look congruent, but from the last one to the first one, they're congruent. So this makes the question an isosceles.
Okay, now we're going to do this problem. Determine the most precise name for each the figures, then find the area. Then the question gave us 4 points. So first of all, we need to draw them first. Then we got this figure, and we can say they are parallel. So we got its parallelogram. So now we need the area. So the parallelogram's area equals the space times the height, and the space distance equation is square root x2 minus x1 square plus y square, y2 minus y1 square, and we got x2 is negative 2 minus negative 2 square plus y2 5 minus 0 square equal, because negative 2 equal positive, so negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So here we got only 5 square, then it's square root 25, we got final answer 5. So we got the final space 5. Then now we look at the height. So we do from the space to the top space. here 2. We just see the figure and point out 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the height is 4. Then arrow equal base plus height. That's 5 times 4 equal 20. Then now we know what kind of figure this is, and we got the arrow. Then that's it. And for this chapter, the most important thing is we need to know this, the distance equation. That's the most important thing. You got this, then you know the side of the figure, you can know the distance, everything. And also you have to know for this question, like the triangle, you have to know, are they the 3 sides same, or only 2 sides, or no side is same. That's really important too. Also the parallel, those points of parallels, that's really important too. So for this chapter, the 6-7, that's our points. Hope it will help you. Thank you.